And this is so special to us because it's going to define the way we're going to coordinate our wildlife research in the country. Initially, we used to get to collect information. Everybody was collecting information. There was no coordination. There was no an authority that would actually look at what is being collected. And today, as we launch this, WRTI becomes an authority that is going to collate and collect the information and also work with other partners in the field of research, and specifically in the research field of wildlife. We're focusing this research on 7 key and priority thematic areas. We're looking at the wildlife population dynamics, the wildlife health, the wildlife bioprospecting. We're looking at the common one that has been around the wildlife and human interactions. We're looking at the wildlife economy, and we're looking at also the genetics of our wildlife. Now we've been doing the wildlife census in our country. We did it for the first time in 2021, and we're going to do it for the second time in 2024.
With the highest population of Rothschild giraffes, they have black rhinos, they have white rhino. It is hosting the only roan antelope that are in this country, numbering less than 30. We've been able to do a biomass assessment to determine the capacity that is required within that reserve, including recommending to management, KWS, to destock some of those giraffes to their former ranges in the community conservancies in Baringo, where this setup has been done. And through that research, the management can now implement the restocking of safer areas. And that has happened in many of the areas, and some are lined up, like assessing the capacity of Moya National Reserve.
Number 6 is a very important subject today, the impact of climate change, with the overall objective of this thematic area is to develop early warning systems, wildlife species management, and implement mitigation and adaptation measures that are necessary, and also, more importantly, to pilot nature-based solutions to address the climate change impacts, including the important subject of carbon credit assessment, valuation, and growing and developing carbon credit programs in our country.